SEOBLAZER, a 54-in-1 visitor analytics and SEO tools. SEOBLAZER is an amazing 54-in-1 cloud-based search engine optimization tools that help you keep track of your SEO issues and help to improve the visibility of a website in search engines. It also helps to optimize web content by analyzing content for keywords, on-site links, and other SEO considerations. With SEOBLAZER, you analyze your own website, any other website, and spy on your competitors, and use the gathered information to outrank and dominate your competitors. This is an SEO and complete website analytic tools to analyze any website for Alexa data, Whois data, Moz check, search engine index, Google PageRank, IP analysis, etc. combined with some other great SEO tools such as link analysis, keyword position analysis, auto keyword suggestion, page status check, website ping, and host of others. With SEOBLAZER, you can easily dominate your competitors. You will be able to analyze your website visitors, spy on your competitors, and use the information to rank higher than them in search engines while you get more sales and more profits. This is a must-get software for all business that runs online, internet marketers and digital business owners. Are you ready to spy on and outrank your competitors? Sign up now.